In the first years of life, babies sleep quite a lot, newborns up to 20 hours out of each 24. So it's natural that a child's bedroom is the most important place in the house of any young family. Children grow faster during sleeping hours, and their healthy, sound sleep gives their parents extra time for rest. It is for 20 years now that VERES company has been manufacturing children's furniture and textiles. Over this period, about 200,000 kids, a whole city's population, have grown up in children's rooms furnished by VERES products. And the company itself has developed into a major exporter. VERES company has launched the manufacture of wood furniture and natural textile bed linen for children, and created a team of professionals committed to implementing ideas of healthy development of their young customers.
Ми відкриті для наших споживачів.
We are open to our customers, and we invite you to see for yourselves that our manufacturing is based on clean technologies and natural materials. At the beginning, nature itself is involved in making our products. Thousands of kilometers away from our company's workshops, in the Carpathian Highlands, beech trees grow high and mighty. Beechwood has a high antibacterial effect, which is preserved throughout the timber's life cycle. In the regions we deliver our beechwood from, within up to 300 kilometers, there's not a single enterprise that could negatively affect the growth or structure of the trees. VERES specialists select prime quality beechwood, discarding timber even with minor defects. We take care of our product's durability from the very first stage of manufacture. That's why we store timber in open-air pole barns for proper drying. Our forefathers used to dry wood for years, but we just put them into special convective chambers, and that makes it possible to dry it within just a few weeks. The standard moisture content of furniture timber is 8 to 10%, which is enough to make sure that our beds serve more than one generation of children. Consumer demand for VERES product is growing every year, and to keep up with it, the company extends its production facilities. Due to well-established production processes, the company's workshops operate non-stop. We rely on creatively thinking and promising top managers and manufacturing engineers. The average age of the staff members is 35 years. They are young people who raise their own children and know family needs from their own experience. The design of any new VERES bed model begins with concept formation. Advanced 3D designing technology makes it possible to change the shape of every part and to produce graphically the most ergonomic options. We create mobile cribs and wheels for moms to be able to stay by their children's side at any time, as well as cribs with rocking mechanisms that makes it possible to softly rock the child to sleep. Especially popular are models with lathed bottom, which can be fixed on different levels, ergonomic models with regular drawers for bed linen and a pendulum drawer, and cribs with movable front barrier. Any constructive idea of our technologists is immediately implemented in our manufacturing workshops. Several years ago, we fully renovated our enterprise. When selecting machines, we gave preference to such Italian manufacturers as Comac, Comam and Bocci, and now we produce furniture that meets high European quality standards. New high-precision equipment provides for a more cost-effective use of timber, accelerated batch machining of parts, increased precision of work, and an excellent quality of surfaces polishing. As a result, the texture of wood becomes more visible, and all the surfaces acquire an extra smoothness. Touching them will become one of the first pleasant sensations for your baby. We strive to create a favorable environment for our young customers so that they could start developing their aesthetic taste as early on as possible. VERES workshops are full of timber fragrance. This fresh odor of natural wood is a sure sign that natural qualities of timber are preserved to the maximum throughout the production processes, including at the crucial stage of painting. Among the children's furniture manufacturers in Ukraine, we were the first to have installed an automated painting line. The entire painting process is carried out in electrostatic field, exclusively with the use of water-based products. That gives us a high-quality ecological coating and protects the furniture from cracking and penetration of microbes. Specialists of VERES company have developed a multi-level product quality control system, which basically brings to zero any possibility of manufacturing defects. Within a day, several children's beds undergo controlled assembly. That way, we make sure that there are no technological malfunctions. That is why the company guarantees that should any such defect be found in any part of its product, the whole product will be replaced for free. The products of the company are tested by independent experts from Ukraine, CIS and European countries. The products are tested for durability and undergo rigorous chemical analysis. The certificates issued as a result of such tests serves a real quality guarantee for our customers. The production process is also subject to stringent ecological control. To remove dust and chips, we use aspiration devices of a new type. They work like a huge vacuum cleaner and make sure that no contaminating substances are released into the environment. It is known that children are most susceptible to adverse effects of the environment. From their very first days, they actively explore what's around them, and the adults should protect their children from any possible impact of hazardous substances or poor quality materials. Concerned about safety and ecological compatibility of children's rooms, VERES designed a series of cabinet furniture. To manufacture our furniture, we use high-quality MDF. All its surfaces have smooth, rounded forms to protect a child from any injury. We have also developed and installed a system of attaching furniture to the wall, so that even with the drawers pulled out, it would never turn over. It's worth noting that all face surfaces are absolutely smooth. There are no fastening elements, so that a child wouldn't accidentally unscrew and swallow any detail. We offer about 20 options of children's rooms VERES. All sets are highly ergonomic and provide maximum space for children's things and textiles. As the textiles have direct contact with the skin, we believe they should be made of natural tissues that do not cause allergic reactions in children. Continuing our series of ecologically clean products, VERES company started the production of natural textiles and mattresses for newborns. In our mattresses, we use only orthopedic materials, such as coconut coir, latex, hollow fiber and flax tissue. All these materials have been certified by European experts and recognized as the best fillers of mattresses for newborn babies. VERES company follows recommendations of pediatricians and produces mattresses that naturally support baby's spinal column in a proper position. Mattresses with 2 levels of rigidness cater for the needs of children in the age of up to 1 year and from 1 to 4 years of age. In blankets, cotton fiber is used, not cheap artificial fillers. Unlike most manufacturers, we quilt blankets, and that allows for their repeated washing. Moms need special textile for bathing and walking out with their children. To satisfy such needs, our technology specialists developed our own series of useful articles for bathrooms and go-outs. These include warm winter rugs and breathing rugs for summer. Every bedding collection is supplemented with a specially designed collection of accessories, including rugs, ponchos and hooded towels. Ponchos and hooded towels are made of natural 2-sided terra cloth, which absorbs moisture well. Several times a year, VERES textile collections are enlarged with new story drawings made by the company's textile designer. The designer creates cloth patterns and pictures that will trigger first positive emotions in babies. VERES company is the leader in sales of furniture and textile for children in an average price segment. 7 out of 10 purchased beds for children in Ukraine bear the Sonka logo. We never economize in quality. We select only expensive natural raw materials, and at the same time, our prices are lower than those offered by our competitors.
Ви знаєте, я завжди милуюся жінкою, яка чекає на дитинку.
I admire expectant mothers, as nothing makes a woman happier and more beautiful than motherhood.
Щоб кожна
And I would like every mother to feel care for herself and her child. That care can be expressed in things big and small, and that care is the main purpose of our business.